gonna come. Hi, Maggie, Mia. Come here. Mia, look what Mum's got. Mia, look what Mummy's got. Come and see. Some knickknacks. Do you want one? Do you want a knickknack? Oh, she loves knickknacks. Maggie, would you like a knickknack? There you go then. Wait there. Can't have them all. There you go. Do you want it then? Right, you have to back up a bit because in my personal space. Hello, do you want one? Maggie's in the packet. Stop it. You're just being greedy, Maggie. I want to try and get this little black one. Elsa one. There you go, Elsa. That's Elsa's, isn't it? Maggie, if you get out the pocket. I'm just going to take it out on here because I've just given her wrong. What about Mum? There you go. Maggie, yeah? Elsa? Maggie? Maggie, you're greedy. You really are. Like, back up. So just being greedy. Yeah. Oh, they're not getting any more, Maggie. Nah. No more. She's being naughty, isn't she? You being naughty. Kiss. Oh, thanks. 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 Hi. Elsa. Elsa. No. Keep her down there. No. They're being greedy. The last one. Go. Get it then. Before Maggie gets it.